Yes, it's Saturday, July 26th. Xpressions will be at the BFF Expo at Harmony Beach.
We'll have merchandise on sale.
Tumblers, tights, shirts.
You name it.
The gen of them, I don't know unity is strength. We have the hot them phone. That is it. For the ladies, we have can I get a wow. And you know what? We have shot glass for the whole of the rum drinker them. All bars. Just check in, man. We have all of the goods then, see? So check in and remember, anything you buy, you get it with a pen. Mark the bartender. So check in. Set in.
Join us, the whole bartender family and the agents family. I go there.
July 26th at Harmony Beach.
She never tell a lie, people. And you don't know from who there, vibes are for there. You know when I carry the boring thing, so boss, we had it. I can show them. Alright, see. Wait, I was Shandy.
Sean, where you gone?
Me go down at Harmony Beach. Me go start set up.
No, but that's not
Sean,
until July 26th.
you
Sean,
can't
come here
do that,
for bus. I wish
Sean,
I
you
go.
know what, Dan?
Come on, man.